This pre-owned 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory sport bike is now available at Frederick Chevrolet in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Only 3,084 miles on the engine. This 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory features APRC, or Aprilia Performance Ride Control. The factory also features a series of carbon fiber details as well as a semi-active electronic suspension, the most advanced currently available on the market. The Aprilia V4 four-stroke engine is liquid-cooled, features a double overhead camshaft, and is packed with 1,077 cc's and 175 horsepower. With a no-hassle price of $16,800, have this in your garage instead of our showroom just in time for riding season. The 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory, now available at Frederick Chevrolet, Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Call 717-274-1461 or visit frederickchevrolet.com for more details.